Guys, so today we're going to be playing Life Together. Oh my god, I'm listening to Kayla's. Dang it. Now I have to go to AI chat experiment. Let's go home. Now I have to join her. Jeez. Live Together? Okay. Why? I don't know. Okay. Say hi. We're actually gonna play Brookhaven. I don't want to do that. We're just gonna... Okay.
Don't enter the corn maze house at 3 a.m. Don't do it. Sounds like one of my gaming video titles. Subscribe to that channel.
Alright,
Don't
I'm
mean to
just
alarm
listening
anyone,
to
but there's a
Kayla's
giant
right now.
bat trying to break into my flat. That rhymes! Oh my god. He's kind of cute though. Let him in. Just let him in. He won't harm you. Let him in. He's cool. I like him. Greg the Bat.
What is amazing, Mom?
Scary last moment of human.
Can you see this little pink girl here?
No, Mom.
Pink girl?
I can't see that.
You can't.
Why is
No, I
there...
can't see that. Pink girl?
Sorry guys, I had to go to my... Oh. May bring you and your king. Hopefully you guys could see this. I'm gonna put on my headphones. Look, I'm in headphones! I forgot I adopted the cat. Do you guys like my avatar? Isn't it cute? Oh. Like my avatar, guys? I'm gonna lay down. I don't mind my guitar sticking in from over here. And my PlayStation. So over here. Melanie Martinez. Melanie Martinez is playing. Okay. We're just gonna do this. Hopefully you guys could see. Because this video is gonna be going on for a while. It's just gonna be like at least an hour of me doing this. Alright, I'm just gonna do this little mini game while I wait. Wait. Here. Wait. Oh, I'm supposed to say the word. Dang it, I fell. Oh, block 61. I might have to wait a little while. Mango! I'm sorry, guys. Just keeps doing that. Oh, yeah. I do this. It's only been 8 minutes, and this is going to be going on for an hour. I'm just going to fall asleep probably. Mango, stop! This bird! Bird! I know. Maybe I should change my name on Roblox on YouTube to like a really cute name. It's not letting me go up. Dude! Spacebar, spacebar! It's not letting me do anything behind this point. I'm gonna restart Minecraft. I can't respond, I told you. I'm sorry, guys. I was busy with... it's the other beginning. Oh, it's question 4? Oh, God. I can't jump in this game, I guess. It's not letting me jump. the GC crown. I could buy you GC. I only got like a few Robux and I'm not even that famous yet, so.
This guy found a secret hole in his wall space. And look inside. Oh, heck no. Wall space
I'm bored. I'm trying. We're joining a different server. Not Power Race. I've never played this. It's for later. So after the first 50 minutes, for the next 50 minutes, we're gonna do horror games. But for this, we're just doing normal games here. Oh yeah, I can't do that. 1 plus 5? That's 6, boy. This game is stupid. I'm trying to figure myself out here. I could buy myself flowers, write my name in the sand, talk to myself for hours. Say things you don't understand. I could take myself dancing. I can hold my own hand, but I can't help me to learn. You can get me better, baby. Love me better. I can love me better, baby. This is a horror game. We're gonna play it anyway. It's a horror game. No, we're playing this on my phone. A dream you've had before. We're gonna play this. I joined. No. Close and let's do it. Roblox. Please don't steal my account, guys. I know you guys can always see my name up here. We're actually going to scribble out the whole top half. Just kidding. You could look at my name, just don't try to friend me, please. A dream you've had before. I'm scared, guys. Oh. I need to leave on here. Because I'm already joined on here. Yep. Left. The same experience. This game is called Bug. We'd use our voice. Hey guys, I'm streaming right now. Oh. They had so much. Welcome to Chills. It's a dream I had before is just I like smiles in Roblox and bees in Minecraft, but I'm mad. This game is just a bunch of notes on walls. Hey, Bacon. Hey, Bacon girl. Mango! You're in my video now. Go on my shirt. Mango! Why do you like walking on my skin so much? No! Me and Mango are fighting a little bit here. He won't chill. Alright. I'm gonna sit up because I can do whatever I want with my phone. Okay. Can you guys... watch the bird for me? I just do this. Look at my screen, guys. Huh, alright. Yeah, the dream we had before is stupid because... what is this? Notes all over the wall. I want to start playing the game for real, so... I go stop. No. Stop. Hey. This bird loves everything. What's my best friend playing? Annalise, why do you love this game? Oh! Don't think about what I just said. Ow! It keeps moving to a restricted location. Let me out. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah. That. Watch this bird for me, please. You want to get on my speaker? There you go. This bird. I'm sorry, guys. We're turning off my camera now. Someone's name in here is Galinda.
Websites and video streaming platforms. You get less distracted, it helps extend your battery life, and it makes your phone faster. It's called Total Ad Block, and if you download it, that means you won't be...
Alright guys, so I have a virus actually. My cousin was downloading random apps on my phone. And he gave me a virus. So I'm downloading this to get rid of all my apps. 8 Super App, Mentioner, and Cleaner. Manager and Cleaner. This bird won't be quiet. I might have to put him under the blanket. Ow. Mango. Timothy. I'm gonna download some cute games. We're just gonna play them. Skincare time makeover. ASMR. Oh! That does not look like skincare. Avatar Life World, nice story. No, there's adorable home. You can't mark. Cute grocery shop. Cat spa. My Cat Town. Yo-yo decor. Da-da-da. These are all for little babies. Cute games. So that's where it came from. Cats and Soup cute cat game. It's 17 apps. Yeah. 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 Howie. Oh. Whoa. No. There's a bird under my blanket. Yeah, you saw me delete like 35 apps. Yeah, I have Class Dojo. This shows my name, which I'm not sure. Yeah, we're 28 minutes in. Play Store. Oh, I think Cat Soup is here now. I haven't went in the gaming hub in years. Just check out Roblox. Look at how many apps I have. I kept Block Crazy. I kept Minecraft. I have Choco World still. Wait, I have something I bought. Toca Boca. Toca Boca. Oh. There's a bird under my blanket. Why do I always have to wait like this? Like, I bought something new on Toca Boca. I bought a Pusheen pack. I'm gonna tell my dad I deleted 35 apps. Maybe I deleted the scam. Maybe I won't get ads anymore. Hey guys, it's Mango here, and I just want to make sure Honey's really angry, and I think it would help if you like and subscribed. Yeah, she really likes when you do that. So please like and subscribe. Honey's really mad right now, and I don't want her to kill me. What? I'm a mama. I don't want her killing my mama either. So please like and subscribe. And another thing I want you guys to do is if I ever release, like, when I'm older, if I ever become successful, don't be haters or Mango will eat you like he's eating you right now. Yeah. Get on my mic. No, get out there. Ow. Ow. My bird's eating my toes. My bird got to my toes. Wait until I get to the part where... Yeah, it's not there. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Mango, stop getting close to my toes. Oh. Alright, something new is going on. Mango alert, mango alert, mango alert, mango alert, mango alert, mango alert. Big mango alert, big mango alert. Like and subscribe, like and subscribe. And like and subscribe. And 3. Three, 2, 1. Blast off. Stop it, Mango! That was a joke. No one's blasting off. Stop! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sari Berry, like and subscribe to Sari Berry. Sari Berry is my biggest fan. Sari Berry, I am your biggest fan. Oh. I just had a bird in my mouth. He put himself in my mouth. I didn't put him in there. Mango! Stop eating me! Ow! Mango just ate my head off. No head. Duh. Who cares about Toki Boki? Let's see what we could do. Oh. And move. I still have this up now. Mango. No toes for you. No more eating toes. Dun, 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 dun. Owie! I'm sorry, Mango has to go on the shirt again. I had to lay on my back again! Yeah, I had Pandora. I deleted it. Oh my god. Mango has been crazy, 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 crazy.